Hi, this is Aaron at Taylor & Sons Chevrolet. Doing a walk around video here for our 21 Toyota Highlander. Just going to start with the exterior here and go around and point out any blemishes or anything I'd want to know about before I made the trip to take a look at this one. So dark color here, there is a few little scratches that I'll point out. All in all, really nice vehicle. But starting with the hood here and the front fascia, there is some light scratches on the hood that you can see in the right light. This being the worst of them right here. And again, that's kind of just on the windshield, just below the windshield area. And moving down the side of the vehicle, wheels and tires are in good shape on this. But moving down here along the passenger side, there is some very light scratches in the clear coat only, not all the way through, in a few locations. This is the passenger side, or passenger door on the driver's side here. Again, just in the clear coat. Another one down here in the right light. All right, we're working around to the cargo area and the hatch and everything in the rear end of this vehicle. Pretty good shape. Glass in good condition, hatch in good condition. There's a few little blemishes on the plastic portion of the bumper. Again. All right, moving around to the driver's side. Again, wheels and tires, there is ever so slightly a small amount of road rash on that one wheel, and more so on this side around here of the tire, the wheel itself. Little scratch in the clear coat again, in the right light. Let's see if I can show you this. Darn thing's so reflective it's hard to show up. There it is. And that's the passenger side passenger door. All right, and the front passenger door, and mirror caps, all that. It's 12 below zero here right now while I shoot this, so any water I put on it would freeze instantly. So a little dusty, I would have washed it first, but all right, well, working around to the interior of the vehicle. The inside here is the driver's side door panel. And the seats in good shape. Everything in good working order here. Floor liners. There is a few scratches on the display itself, like they cleaned it with a rag that had some grit at one point. Doesn't show up so much when everything is on and it lights up, but in the dark it does show up. Then there's the infotainment center, control panel, shifter, center console, all that. Passenger seat. All right, working around to the rear passenger seating. Door panel. Passenger seats. And rear seating. All right, working around to the back hatch. Open this up. Cargo liners. A little bit of a blemish here along the edge. Some scratches in the plastic itself. That's the only thing I see to point out, really. Let that go down, and then, all right, passenger side, passenger door. Seat backs. All right, and then the front passenger door here. Dash. And everything from this perspective on the passenger side. All right, well, there you have our 2021 Toyota Highlander. I appreciate the interest. Thanks for your time. This is Aaron signing off.